how to enable or disable Show Emoji Switch Key in Gboard or Google Keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down and then tap on General Management. Then we go down and tap on Gboard settings. Otherwise, you can tap on Keyboard List and Default. Then tap on Gboard. Next, tap on Preferences. And in here, tap on Show Emoji Switch Key. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now, if I open up my Gboard, you can see there is a key right here for emoji. So it has a special dedicated key for that. And if I switch it off, so I switch it off, and this time you can see on the keyboard right here there is a key. So if I bring up my keyboard, it will get refreshed, and now that key has been removed. And now to use that emoji, I need to touch and hold onto this button here and then select emoji key. So that is how you can turn on or turn off Show Emoji Switch Key, which is a dedicated key, allowing you to quickly open up the emoji screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.